We have all heard this hack of mixing your foundation and your moisturizer to make it into a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer. So I wanted to test it out and see if it actually works. So if you want to know how it wears throughout the day, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, my name is Muskan and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be testing out a DIY BB cream / a tinted moisturizer by mixing my moisturizer and a foundation and see if it actually wears throughout the day, how does it feel on my skin and everything, and also be doing a wear test. So basically I'll be doing check-ins and seeing how it wears throughout the day. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So I'm going to be mixing 2 pumps of this moisturizer, which is by Plum. It's a day cream. It's not very heavy, it's lightweight. So to give you a background, don't use a heavy moisturizer. It will not be nice to blend. Like, it will be too heavy on the foundation as well. So use a normal one. And I'm going to be adding my favorite foundation. It's my Perfect Match by Milani, and it's also medium to full coverage one. So it would be a great one to mix with. So I have taken 2 pumps of my moisturizer and 1 pump of my foundation on my metal palette, and now using a spatula I'm going to be mixing them to create a DIY kind of a BB cream or a light tinted moisturizer, if you may. So basically a light foundation. The looks of it, it's looking nice. Now let's wear it on my face.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. All we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't.
Now using my foundation buffing brush, I'm going to be blending it all out.
Wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands.
Okay, so I've applied all that was there on my palette, and now for the first impressions, if I go to see, it feels very lightweight. To be honest, it doesn't feel like I have worn anything. It is feeling very lightweight, but still I have seen it has given me a minimal coverage. As you would have seen, I applied a lot on my under eyes, on my around my lips and here, because that is where I needed coverage. And since I'm not going to be wearing a concealer, I wanted it to be properly covered. So yeah, that's where I applied a little more. So as you can see, it is looking pretty nice. I didn't expect this to give me this much coverage while feeling so lightweight. It's actually feeling like I've worn nothing, to be very honest. It's not even feeling like I have worn a foundation. It's just feeling like I've applied a moisturizer. So it's, for the first impressions, it's very nice. Even if I have to go out for like 3-4 hours in a day, I might actually do this, because it's like a sasta tinted moisturizer or a BB cream with a good coverage, because they may not give you that much coverage, but this, because the foundation has pretty good coverage, has given me a good amount of coverage. So for the first impressions, I'm pretty impressed. Now I'm going to be doing my whole face of makeup, and then I will be coming back to show you how it looks. I will not be applying any other base products other than a compact, because it's a cream product. It will move into different places. Without any compact, you need a powder to set your cream products. So for that reason alone, I am going to be setting it with a compact powder, because otherwise it will definitely move and crease and everything, and I do not want it to happen that way. So yeah, I'm going to be doing my full face, coming back, and also will be doing a wear test. So basically I will be doing a check-in at the end of the night to show you how it looks, and throughout the day, whatever I have felt, I will be noticing it properly. I will be telling you how it looks at the end of the day. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, so I am back after doing my makeup. Yes, I have changed my top because my makeup was not going well with the other one. So I changed it to match it to this top. So that's the reason why I have changed it. I had applied my first application at 12 o'clock, and right now it's around 2:35. So till now I'm feeling very lightweight. To be very honest, it feels like nothing on my skin, and still it has provided me a coverage, a minimum coverage, which I would still get from a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer. Even after my full makeup application, it looks very nice. The wear time has been very nice of it, as you can see. Only my problem is with the under eyes, so there is where I feel like if I applied it more, it would be better, because again, that's the place I usually apply my concealer and provide myself more coverage. So yeah, but for a very minimum coverage, light to medium coverage, you can apply your moisturizer and your foundation together. So far really nice. I'll be checking in again in the day to show you how it looks, but so far so good. The best part is that it feels like nothing on my skin, and I absolutely love that. Basically feels like a moisturizer, and since it's so lightweight, I'm loving that. So people who don't like foundation, this can be a really great way to use up the foundation that you already have. So it has been almost 11 hours since this makeup has been on, and normally people don't wear makeup for so long, but for the sake of this wear test I did, and I must say I'm very impressed. Yes, it has faded off from certain areas of my face like my chin, my under eyes. That has to be expected because it was not only like my foundation, it was mixed with the moisturizer, so basically a BB cream type of a look. But yeah, I must say I'm very happy. I will be doing this again because it feels so lightweight on the skin, like I have said throughout, but yeah, I'll say it again. Yes, it feels very lightweight, like nothing on my skin, and I absolutely love that, especially in a country like India where it's very hot and humid. You need that. Okay, so yeah, I just want to show you how it looks, and you can see it looks pretty dang nice, right? So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this was a video which was a new type of a concept for me. Would you like to see more of such tries from my side, where I try certain things which are actually can be done? Like this was a thing which was believable, not trends which I like not doable. I will not be doing them, but ones which are actually nice, which are the hacks which actually can be implemented in the real life. I would love to try them and do such wear tests for you all. So if you would like me to do any of them, please let me know in the comments below. Now it's time for bonus tips. So if you have been watching me for a while, you would know that I give bonus tip at the end of each and every video. In today's video, my bonus tip would be, if you're going to be trying this out, like mixing your moisturizer and your foundation, make sure that your moisturizer is a lightweight one. Don't go for those heavy duty thick moisturizers, because throughout the day they will feel heavy, and also while mixing and applying it's not the best choice. Any day cream preferably, right? So that's the best option. And for foundation, go for one which has medium to full coverage. Don't go for ones with lighter coverage because they will give you no coverage whatsoever after mixing it with the moisturizer. Go for ones with medium to full. So even after thinning out with the moisturizer, they will give you some kind of coverage, like mine did. It did give me a good coverage, more than I was expecting, to be honest. So yeah, that's my tip. These are the things you need to keep in mind while doing this. If you liked my video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated each and every time I upload a new video. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram. I share a lot of tips on reels, on my stories, everywhere. You'll get a lot of makeup knowledge from me over there as well. So yeah, till next time, bye bye.